Today, I'm going to show you how to add your portfolio link to LinkedIn so recruiters, clients, and connections can see your work instantly. Open the LinkedIn app on your iPhone or Android. From the home screen, tap your profile picture in the top left corner to go to your profile. Scroll down to the featured section. If you don't see it yet, tap Add section. Then select Featured and choose Links. Now, tap Add Link and paste the URL of your portfolio. This could be a personal website, Behance, Dribble, GitHub, or any platform where your work is showcased. Once the link is added, LinkedIn will automatically pull a preview image and title. You can edit the title and description to make it more appealing and descriptive. For example, write My UX Design Portfolio or Frontend Projects Showcase. Tap Save, and the portfolio link will now appear in the featured section of your profile. This makes it easy for anyone visiting your profile to quickly access your work. You can add multiple portfolio links if you have work on different platforms. Just repeat the process and organize them in order of priority. Adding a portfolio link not only shows your skills but also makes your profile more professional and engaging. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss my next LinkedIn tutorial.